Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Ismail bin Zainul Karman. Today I will tell how to use the SME audit or audit SME. First of all, we must fill the company name, which is for my company is Demo 1202. And then next, go to import asset listing, and then we upload the sample asset listing, and then we submit. After that, fill up all the item with the description such date of purchase, opening cost, current edition, opening cost, current edition, depreciation rate, then opening depreciation, current charges, and change all asset categorized. Also change the finance mode, and then we submit. After that, we got the PPE. Look for the lead schedule and select asset after PPE, and then after that we press the propose button and choose PRJE and fill all the description with the motor vehicle, computer equipment, and accumulated depreciation for computer equipment. And then enter the amount and write in the narration as being adjusted for overstated description. And then we save. Then search for lead schedule. Search for lead schedule, select asset and PPE, then select asset and cash and bank balance. And press propose adjusted. We got this, and fill the description with audit fee, and cash in hand, and then we enter the amount. After that, write in the narration as being adjusted for audit fees, paid in cash, unaccounted for. And we save, we must select as PAJE. And then save. To see the result, press asset and choose cash and bank balance, and we got deposit cash and bank balance. That's all from me. Thank you.